Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced game-changing India-led initiatives at the 6th BIMSTEC summit in Bangkok. From centers of excellence in disaster management, sustainable maritime transport, traditional medicine, to agriculture research, India's stepping up big time. Stick around as we dive into what this means for regional cooperation and beyond. The summit's theme was BIMSTEC, prosperous, resilient, and open, focusing on strengthening regional cooperation and addressing key challenges. Yet, one question looms large. Can BIMSTEC replace SAARC? Let's get into this. BIMSTEC versus SAARC. So first thing first, why does BIMSTEC matters? Let's rewind to 2016. After the Uri attack, India boycotted the SAARC summit. And just like that, Afghanistan, Bhutan, and Bangladesh backed New Delhi. SAARC, once called the EU of South Asia, hit a dead end. Since then, it has been gathering dust. However, BIMSTEC, a regional organization comprising 7 member states, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, formed in 1997 with the aim of promoting multifaceted technical and economic cooperation among the countries of the Bay of Bengal region. The region covered by BIMSTEC is home to around 1.5 billion people, with a combined GDP of over $3.8 trillion. And India's been working hard to make it a powerhouse. In 2019, PM Narendra Modi even invited BIMSTEC leaders to his swearing-in ceremony. If we look at the geostrategic significance of BIMSTEC, covers a massive region, from the Himalayas in the north to the Indian Ocean in the south. That's 21% of the world's population. BIMSTEC syncs well with the Act East and Neighborhood First policies of India, besides its geostrategic interests in the region. New Delhi granted $1 million to the BIMSTEC Secretariat for capacity building. It hosted the BIMSTEC Foreign Ministers meeting in July 2024 and an informal meeting of BIMSTEC foreign ministers on the sidelines of the UNGA in New York last year. Here's what makes BIMSTEC special. It's about teamwork. Unlike some groups where one country calls the shots, BIMSTEC splits its work into 7 categories, 1 for each member. Everyone gets a say, and no one's left out. At the 6th BIMSTEC summit in Bangkok, Secretary General Indramani Pandey announced a roadmap for a regional free trade agreement as a part of the Bangkok Vision 2030. This came just 2 days after Trump's tariff policy news. Coincidence? Maybe not. Trade and FTA. Speaking of trade, the Free Trade Agreement FTA roadmap is huge. It's paired with a maritime transport deal, which makes sense because the Bay of Bengal is all about sea power. Except for landlocked Bhutan and Nepal, every BIMSTEC country has access to the Indian Ocean. Better maritime links mean more trade, more connectivity, and a stronger region. PM Modi took it up a notch at the summit with a 21-point action plan, which includes energy centers, electric grid integration, BIMSTEC games, and a slick maritime transport system. India is playing the long game here. So is BIMSTEC the new SAARC? Some analysts point out that a study of the 21-point action plan can show that the plan is to bring the 7-member group at par with the SAARC. Though the details of the Yunus Modi talks have not been shared, it is believed that the talks may start a new phase of cooperation in the 7-member bloc. If Bangladesh finds the grouping beneficial and inches towards New Delhi, it may herald a new phase of cooperation. India can use BIMSTEC to isolate Pakistan in Southeast Asia. However, SAARC remains important for addressing common challenges faced by South Asian nations, such as poverty, climate change, and regional security. India recognizes the importance of both SAARC and BIMSTEC, and seeks to leverage both organizations to advance its strategic interests in the region. At the end of the video, I would like to ask you, do you believe BIMSTEC could surpass SAARC in influence? Comment below.